When you walk into Anacortes, what do you see? Maybe our beautiful parks and waterfront views. Or how about downtown Anacortes? See anything? How about now? Still nothing? Look a little closer. Scattered throughout downtown is a small population of historical figures that make up our past and cultivate the present. Artist and historian Bill Mitchell and his murals have long been a staple of Anacortes. But who are these people that Bill decided to memorialize? Well, wonder no longer, as we here at the Anacortes Museum have been hard at work on the first ever Anacortes Mural Project smartphone walking tour. All 145 plus murals have been logged for you to view and locate on your very own self-guided tour. Along with this, you can learn more about the identity of the subjects, as the site provides background and context to the person depicted. Not to mention, a few of the murals even have recordings of Bill talking about them.
All right, and this is also on 6th Street. This is Zach Ben and his lunch wagon.
So, how does this all work?
Hi, my name is Adam Farnsworth. I'm the Education and Media Curator here at the Anacortes Museum, and I'd love to show you about how to get started with our mural tour. So we have Saeed Wayouth right here, and this is one of our murals that was taken down for restoration recently. So since we had him in the building, we figured it'd be a good one to demonstrate with. Saeed Wayouth was the son of Saeed Chi, who was a cannery boss around the turn of the century. And so what you're going to need is a smartphone with a Photos app, and just a regular old Photos app will work on both Android and iOS. Take your phone and you'll scan the code, and from there it'll take you to our website, the billmitchellmuralproject.org, and you can see on here we've got a picture of the mural itself. We have the original photo that the mural was taken from, and then the location of that mural. But let's say we want to see a different mural. You go up here to the menu, click on the murals, and let's check out the mural map. From the map, as you can see it's loading here, you'll get to see a whole listing of all of the murals we have. You'll be able to zoom in on these different locations. And let's see, maybe we could check out his dad. I think he's right there. There he is, Saeed Chi. So you just tap on the name there. It'll take you to his page. And on his page you say, we have the original photo. You can see here, the original photo for the mural. But we also have some additional photos. You can see he loved this stance. Here's him as a little bit older. Here's the family. And as you can see here at the bottom, you can learn more about Saeed Chi, and that will take you to our online historical photo archive. Okay, well now that we've shown you the basics, it's now up to you to go and explore Anacortes history through the eyes of Bill Mitchell. Happy mural hunting!